welcome back. We're going to start on this aero again. These are my end plates for my wing. Obviously this is the wing. I'll tell you how I bent it at the end of the video. It's a little bit of a home job. Probably going to make some rear brackets for this because the ones I bought are just rubbish, so I'm not going to use them. Anyway, I'm about to start welding it all up, so let's get into it. So, my welder's having a spaz. It keeps blowing up the tungsten, probably because it's 200 amps going through it. Anyway, I'm going to let that cool down if the torch is way too hot. This is my bracket. I need it to be about that big. So, I'm trying to catch the wind off the roof line to hold the back end straight, and a little bit of downforce as well. We'll see how that goes. I actually, I don't want to go above the roof line. I reckon it just looks ridiculous. It's not really what it looks, it's more how it works. But the air, what's the air drawings I've seen of utilities like this, the cab of the windscreen washes the air over, it's that, and then it loops again in the back here. So if I just stay under the roof line just a touch, I think I'll be right. I can always remake these brackets. Like, it's all test and trial until we know what's going on. I still have a lot to do on the front bar as well, the front splitter. I just haven't had all the time. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to cut out some brackets, draw them up. Got a sheet of aluminium right next to me. I'm going to cut that out. And then weld a plate on the bottom side. Plate will be bolted to the hard lid, and then that will be all together. Anyway, let's do it.
sight. Long way, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long way, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long way, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long way, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long way, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead.
So that's the rear wing done, guys. Let us know what you think. I've also put R31 rear brakes on the back, and my car is getting rewired. Let's just show you that. That's an absolute mess at the moment. I've cut room ready for my my cage to go down there. New dash is installed. ECU's all half wired in. Bits and pieces everywhere. Move the start panel over. All the seats, everything's out. Yeah, I had to fill the holes in my intake pipes. I've fixed that. Overall, it's looking awesome. Really happy with new turbo fitment and everything. Yeah, the wing is coming along. That's my mum. You can thank my mum and my son. They're here for moral support. I just wanted to below that roof line. I think I've bandaged that. I've got those big end plates on there to keep it nice and straight. Like I said, guys, I know absolutely nothing about aerodynamics. This is just an educated guess of some research I've done. So, yeah, and how I bent it, I put 2 bits of timber down the ground, put one there, and I drove the truck straight over the middle, and it bent it. And it worked. I know it's a bit crazy, but it actually worked. So, full backyard mechanics, fabrication. But I reckon it looks pretty cool. Pretty happy with it. Let us know what you think in the comments. Catch up with you all soon.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra.